When people imagine the universe, they often picture it as an object. Vast, yet surrounded by something else, such as a void, darkness, or empty space. It feels natural to ask a simple question: if the universe contains everything, what does it sit inside? But this question rests on an intuition that may be misleading. Our minds treat the universe like an object, a thing in space, when in fact the universe is the very framework that makes notions like inside or outside possible. Space is not a backdrop. It is part of the universe itself. Without the universe, the idea of location loses meaning. Observations of distant galaxies illustrate this difference clearly. Galaxies aren't moving through space like ships across an ocean. Instead, the space between them stretches, causing the universe to expand everywhere at once. There is no center, no preferred direction, and no outer edge being pushed outward. The universe does not grow like a cloud spreading into an empty sky. There is no surrounding arena waiting to be filled. Some well-established models suggest the universe may be finite but unbounded. In this view, space has limits, yet no wall or edge. Traveling far enough would never bring you to a boundary, because none exists. Space may curve or loop back on itself, forming a self-contained geometry that requires no external region. Other theories push the idea even further. Space itself might not be fundamental. Reality could arise from deeper structures, quantum relationships, information, or other principles, from which space emerges, much like temperature emerges from the motion of particles. Asking what lies outside the universe in this context is like asking what exists outside a concept before it forms. The question may simply lose its meaning. Speculative ideas also explore the possibility that our universe is one of many. Perhaps there are multiple universes, each with its own space and time. Here, outside does not imply empty space, but a deeper level of reality where familiar notions like distance and position may not apply. Some models even suggest paired universes, one expanding while another contracts, though such ideas remain unconfirmed. Other proposals go further still. Some imagine our universe as part of a lower dimensional structure, with space-time appearing as a projection of a hidden reality. Others describe it as a realm of probabilities, with events actualizing as the universe evolves. In these views, expansion is not merely stretching space, but the unfolding of possibility into reality. At the most abstract level, some physicists and philosophers argue that the universe is a self-contained system, defined by relationships rather than boundaries. Nothing surrounds it because nothing needs to. Just as a mathematical equation does not require a physical location to be true, the universe may exist as a complete, internally consistent structure. Space and time, rather than forming the foundation of reality, could emerge from deeper principles. Our best theories, however, reach their limits at extremes. General relativity explains gravity and cosmic scale phenomena. Quantum mechanics describes the very small. Where these domains meet, our understanding breaks down. A complete picture may require ideas we have not yet discovered. So what is outside the universe? Perhaps nothing, because the universe already contains all space. Perhaps something deeper, from which space itself emerges. Perhaps other universes, hidden dimensions, or realities governed by unfamiliar rules. The most remarkable fact is not that we lack a final answer, but that the universe has evolved in a way that allows a part of itself, our minds, to ask the question at all. A reality capable of producing galaxies, stars, planets, and beings that wonder where everything ends is already extraordinary. Maybe the universe has no outside, or maybe the outside is not a place, but a deeper layer of reality we are only beginning to glimpse. Either way, the question itself is one of the most profound the universe has ever produced, and the only sense in which it truly opens outward is in the mind's trying to understand it.